Guys, don't forget to subscribe and help the channel get to 170,000 subs. Welcome to Amavenza to TV. It's the Petro Premiership. Kaizer Chiefs 0, Orlando Pirates 3. I'm joined by Uprache.
Shapa Pagania Shapa. Saya Pagania Saya. Stibo. Stibo. Mina mine is very short.
Yes,
it's a message to Coach Wadu.
Yes,
don't change the lineup.
Yes,
ungathi abantu balimele bangalimalanga.
Yes,
this thing is for us to lose, Stibo. Late game here today, I think we're left with about 12 or so games that we need to play. So ngithi ku coach, if you want to win a league, you can't change your back four, your middle fielders, your attackers all the time. Have a core of the team that is going to win you the league. If ufuna ukwenza ama replacement, yenza ama replacement. But ungachange holistically, uchange team. Igame yanamhlanje, I'm quite thankful to the coach. Ukuthi uwenze lento simtshela yona. Mina, I had a problem with a coach nge first two games esiluzile season. Ukuthi you will want to include 7 new players that have never played together. And you can't win the league ngaleyo ndlela. Yes, you can take chances kuma Cubs ngoba udlala for 90 minutes and win then, but the league is a marathon. You need a core of the team that is going to win you the league. So if you want to compete against Sundowns, if you can check a game in Sundowns, you look at their back line from goalkeeper. Badlale lama player ebe wa represent a country in a national team. Now when a figure, you collapse the whole thing, uqala scheme afresh. So we are saying to the coach, be disciplined. Dlalisa abadlali waziyo ukuthi bazoswinela ama game. Namhlanje ulethu ulona umbatha in the middle of the park. Those are the players that we need because that's a national asset. So we are saying to the coach, stick to that particular lineup and you'll see Lento Soitola. It's not going to be easy because we are competing against a very old machine in Sundowns. But make sure you stick to you have a first 11. You can't be a big team like Paris then on a first 11. You're going to have a serious problem. But then mhlambe ku Kaizer Chiefs, they didn't come to the game today, let's be honest. I don't know what was happening. They need a coach. But then in the defense of management yabo, remember they are still paying Unabi. They are also paying these chaps. So it doesn't make a business sense for now they will acquire a coach. But honestly speaking, a big team like Kaizer Chiefs need a proper coach ukuthi kube ne direction. Labantu bebathathwe kwama assistant. You can't put such a responsibility now and say they should win things. They are not going to win anything because Mabeza, they came as assistant coaches, others were translators of course. But we are saying each Chiefs might be patient. I'm definitely sure that the team will get a coach and eventually things will be all right. Siyabonga Steve.
Kaizer Kuchie. Kitala uyibona hii. Mana tusengadida. Ajapare. Ajapare.